What's up guys, Joel back with you for another video here in the Snap-on tool review. Today it's a little bit of a day off, but I do have Snap-on's 2018 AC equipment and tools flyer here for you, so I figured I would go through that with you. Let's do it. As I said, we do have Snap-on's AC and equipment and tools flyer for March to August. So it's sitting up here on my laptop, so let's just get into it. Alright guys, front cover, AC and equipment obviously. Some of these things I'm going to go through, some of them I'm not going to. Some of the stuff is shop tools, so I'm not really going to go through the shop tools because this is stuff that you guys should already own or your employers should already have. So AC does, or Snap-on does make or brand AC equipment. Now that's obviously the PolarTec air conditioning and recyclers. Let's just get onto this thing. Page 2. You ever looked at the fucking price of these things? They're fucking insane. So the YF machines are now, they're $15,795. These prices are Canadian, by the way, so just keep that in mind. But look at that fucking price, $15,795. It's insane. And then whether or not they went down in price or what, but yeah, $10,795 for the regular 134A. Yeah, so we're not going to really get into these things all that much. Like I said, you can get the accessories, so your cover for 150 bucks. And yeah, so refrigerant recovery, vacuum pumps, obviously these all go with the machines as well. Vacuum pump oil, you know, all that stuff. Oh, Blue Point makes it. What do you know, right? Okay, so we'll start getting into it, I guess. Refrigerant gas heated leak detectors, $526. Now, is this stuff that you should have yourself? Maybe you shouldn't. I mean, if you do a lot of air conditioning, I think that you should actually have some of these things yourself. Obviously, why should you have to rely on you know, co-workers leaving these things in the proper places or putting them back in the proper order or whatever, right? Damage does happen, and would it be better to be yours? So, you know what I mean? People take better care of things when it's their own. So, the UV rechargeable flashlight, $144.95. I believe we have one of these in the shop, and they're really, really nice. Of course, you can get these things cheaper, obviously, through other places, Amazon or whatever. By the way, I do have an Amazon affiliate links that are in the descriptions down below, so you guys know that. You know what? I'll put a couple of UV lights in there in the description. You guys can check those out. Obviously any purchase made through Amazon does help me out, so you don't even have to buy anything in those links. Obviously, that's just the way Amazon affiliate works. It's great. Some more flashlights, and then we got this little guy here for $27. Yeah, the UV light sucks in these things. They're horrible. But they are really good lights, though. Just so you guys know that. Don't waste your money if this is what you're trying to buy to help with your AC diagnosis, because the UV light that's built in is not that good. Okay, so leak detectors, $419, and that would be yeah. So we got Blue Point, and I'm guessing that this is Snap-on. Yes, it just says Snap-on on it. So okay, so the price difference anyway, $419 to $352 for probably the exact same product. so UV leak detection kit. Now this is something that your shop should own, obviously. AC leak detection kit, there you go. There's a whole bunch of them. So, and they range from anywhere from $320, 163 bucks, $71. So that's the replacement die. Yeah. Okay. So, well, you know, these are things, again, I'm not going to go through all of this stuff. Gauges. Do you own your own set of gauges? Is it worth it to own your own set of gauges? At one point I was going to own my own set. I was going to buy my own set. But the AC machines do a pretty good job. In the dealership level, we don't really deal with too many AC issues. So I've never really bought my own set, but I was going to at one point. So let's see here, $423.95 for that would be the big gauge set there. And these are R12, R134, oh, so 1234YF for the manifold set right here. And then we go over to this one, which is R12, R134A. Is R12 even being used anymore? I sure hope not. And 134A blue points for $327.95. That's a digital one. And the premium manifold gauge set, $316.95. And down and down and down we go. Manifold repair kit. So, you know, when this thing breaks down, you can replace all the O-rings and whatever in them. So that's all right. Next page, manual AC hose crimper set. If you're doing a lot of AC stuff, man, you might need this stuff. So the flush kits. Right, yeah, keep going down. Valve core servicing. This would be probably a good set to own for yourself. Again, a lot of small little parts in there. Do you really want to rely on someone else putting your shit away? Probably not. So some of these things are really worth it. The clutch remover set, this should be, it's a no-brainer. I mean, your shop should own one if you're doing a lot of air conditioning. We do own them. They are company supplied through Hyundai. But yeah, these are something that, you know, if you do a lot of working on them, then maybe you should own one of these things. But okay. Fin straightener cleaner, orifice tube service kit, the multi laser infrared thermometer, $183.95, the Blue Point infrared laser thermometer, $142, and you know, the cheaper versions of them. Pocket digital thermometers. I own one. Which one is it? Oh, I own this one right here. And I use this thing all the time, actually. $47.95. It's not bad. It's on sale. The digital dual thermometer for $86.95. It's a pretty good buy, actually, I have to say. And the pocket dial type thermometers, Blue Point, and this guy right here, $38.95. Why would you not spend the extra couple bucks and get a snap-on, right? Yeah, makes sense, right? That's pretty much it, guys. Oh, I guess I made it to the end. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, it's good from March 1st to August 31st, 2018. So it's got a little, it's got quite a good span on it for you. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you guys want Snap-on tool review shirts, I will put the links in the description below. You can always check out the Snap-on Collector Store and the Snap-on Tool Review Store, and that is through teespring.com. And remember guys, comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.